Hello. There's Amaya waiting for her popcorn.
Hi, I'm gonna change.
Yeah, she got crazy hair and she's still on her pajama.
Yeah, I'm gonna change into one of my dresses I wear at home, and I'm gonna do my hair.
And they're out of school already. Ooh.
Yes, it's summer vacation. First
Summer
day
vacation
of summer.
for how long? Like 2 months
2
and a
months
half?
and a half. 2 months and a
Wow.
half, exactly.
So what we gonna do?
I don't know, clean the house.
Okay, me,
Ow, ow,
I'm
ow,
gonna probably later.
Hot, 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 hot.
I'm gonna start doing the yard. Yeah, let it cool first before you put it in the bucket. Okay, there's your popcorn. It's done. I'm gonna pour it in the bucket. Ready for her. Because she went upstairs and changed her clothes. There you go. Wow, Amaya. She changed her clothes and she fixed her hair.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, I went upstairs and put this dress on, and then I did my hair all by myself.
That's good. Wow.
Thank you.
And go ahead, eat your popcorn. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what do you say?
So if we don't keep our environment clean, then it will just all go to waste. See, if people leave this all around, then it will just go to waste.
You see the front?
I got this from school. Green Learning Guide.
Let me see.
Oh. The Green Learning Guide.
Green Learning Guide. Okay. And
So look here. This is the water cycle. The water from your faucet goes through quite an amazing journey before it ever makes its way in your glass.
now Maya is cooking her dinner. She wants spaghetti.
Hi.
Plain spaghetti. That's all she wants.
I tried it, but it's still a little hard, so it needs to stay in for a while.
Yes.
If it's too hard, then it will be hard to chew.
She just want salt and butter in it.
Of course, well, the salt gives it flavor. See? It's still a little hard, so it needs to stay in
A
there.
little bit more.
Yeah, just a little more minutes. The boiling water makes it all floppy.
Okay. And Amaya gonna put butter in it. Don't.
Huh? What? Not too
Not a lot of
much?
butter.
This much?
Oh, you can put more. Oh, done.
This much? Is this good? Is this good? Huh? Huh?
You see? Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
I'm trying to mix it into the spaghetti because it's hot.
Yeah, see? Just.
Don't burn yourself, Olaf.
No. Should be enough butter or you want more? You want extra butter?
Yes, please. Just a tad bit more. Like this much.
Okay, put it in.
It's done. And I usually add salt.
Yeah, but it's already. I already put salt in it. You wanna put salt?
Huh?
You wanna put more?
Yes. But
I already did.
But to know, the salt gives the spaghetti flavor.
I know, but I already did. So.
If it doesn't. Hi, it's all done. We add the butter. Now time to taste test it. As soon as I get this done.
Okay. That's gonna be your dinner. Can you eat all of it?
I think so. I think.
That's good. Okay,
Now-
just put in here. Just put in.
Now I'm gonna try a bite. It's hot.
I know it's hot.
It's so good.
The salt okay?
Mm.
Yeah, they're okay because I tasted it a while ago.
It just needs a tad this much of salt. Don't worry.
I have this Litson out in the freezer. I took it out last night and they froze it. I'm gonna fry them outside for my dinner. Yan na po yung ano, yung Litson kanina na fried ko. Yan na. Nagsutay ako ng ano, nagsutay ako ng bawang and onion. Tapos ano ko sa ano, banana ketchup. Sa banana ketchup at saka gagawa ko ng sauce. Saka itong sweet chili sauce. Yan. Nag-experiment. Yan na po ang ano, yung sauce, yung banana ketchup at saka yung sweet chili sauce. Tapos i-mix ko na yung fried ko na lechon. Okay guys, yan na siya luto na. Nilagyan ko ng ano, ng spicy. Hot spicy ito ang nilagay ko. Yan. So, masarap na siya. Tinikman ko na manghang. Hindi naman siya manghang-manghang. Yung mild lang. Okay guys, yan, luto na siya. Nandito ako sa labas. Dito ko niluto. Ayan, masarap ang hangin dito. Ayan, my wine. Ayan. It's nice outside. A little bit breezy. Ayan, ito sa labas mag-isa. Namimiss ko yung Pilipinas. Doon lagi ako may kausap. I mean, lagi ko nakakausap yung mga kapatid ko. Dito yung apo ko na sa loob. Tapos na siya kumain yung spaghetti yung kinain niya.